Hi everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. Today's video is going to be a speed clean with me. My house really needed a good tidy up on this day. I was editing all day, so I didn't have a chance to clean almost all day, so I'm taking care of it now. We just had dinner, so I started in the kitchen because this room needed the most attention. I'm just putting the clean dishes away, and then after I'm done with that, I'm going to clean the countertops with my splendid kitchen cleaner. I am also changing the bag in the trash can, and I will wipe it down as well, and then I can start washing all the dirty dishes. If you are enjoying this video and you aren't subscribed yet, please do. I have a lot of fun videos planned for this month. Also, don't forget to turn on notifications so you will be notified every time I post a new video. Tomorrow's video is going to be baking related. I'm going to share a super delicious apple cinnamon muffin recipe, and I will include some cleaning as well. I'm moving to the dining area now, and I'm going to put away everything that is on the table and on the bench, and then I'm going to wipe down the table.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light while we're dancing around.
Now I will wash a couple of dishes that were left and scrub the sink, and I will finish in here with vacuuming. I thought I will have to spend so much more time cleaning the kitchen, but I was done really quickly today.
As they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly. Christmas cake. And then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face. And later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day.
Now I'm moving into our bedroom and I'm just making the bed first, and then I'm going to collect all dirty laundry here and take it into the laundry room.
Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas Day. Dance around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dance around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dance around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas.
I also started a load of laundry earlier this day and I completely forgot about it. So I will take down the dry clothes from my drying rack and hang the clean laundry. I also have to fold some laundry, but I will come back to that later.
Please jingle with me, baby. I wanna get to know you better. Please jingle with me, darling. How much fun it's gonna be together. Now listen, why do I care how much it makes no?
Now I'm in my living room and I'm just tidying up in here. I will straighten the couch, wipe down the coffee table, and I will also dust the TV stand.
How much it makes no? I've got my love to keep me warm. Oh, winter weather, I love the winter weather, 'cause Christmas time is pulling us closer to each other. Winter weather, now we can get together. Oh, Christmas time is pulling me closer to your heart. you now.
Jingle, jingle, jingle with me now.
I got my love to keep me warm. Winter weather, yeah.
Winter weather,
'Cause Christmas time pulling us closer to each other. Weather, now we can get together.
Christmas time is pulling me closer to you.
Closer to you. Yeah.
I love the winter
I wanna get to know ya.
pulling us
Please, baby, please, baby, please. Winter weather, get together.
pulling me closer to you.
Closer to you. A sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm off for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas.
I also had to vacuum in here, and now I will move back into the bedroom so I can fold all the laundry that needs to be folded.
This day, everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Carol's being sung.
And that is everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this speed cleaning motivation. If you did, please like the video and subscribe if you're new. Also tell me in the comments if you cleaned along with me or you're just watching for some motivation. I always like to read what you guys managed to do in that time. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!
Me. Everywhere I go is Christmas. A town filled with wonder and delight.